Boom! Oh my goodness.
Some of the worst winter weather on record.
Here in Texas, residents are experiencing some of the worst winter weather of their lives.
More snow and ice is on the way here.
Nearly 3 million customers without power.
This is incredibly strange.
Why were we not better prepared? That is the prevailing question today.
One thing that I find completely unacceptable is the way that ERCOT has handled this situation. As a result, this morning, I declared ERCOT reform an emergency item for the legislature.
Now you've got these prices that have soared on the spot market to add insult to injury.
Texas snow. Sounds like an oxymoron, to be honest, but we've been at it a couple of days, and yeah, we've had some problems.
Connection looks like. Did it go off? 1 second.
Yeah, it looks like it's out again. Intermittent power outages, no reliable internet whatsoever, no temperature readings, no knowing how cold it's going to get in the night. These are definitely things I didn't think I'd have to go through here. So what did a normal day look like for us? Half the faucets in our house stopped working. They were frozen. And hot water was non-existent. So the only viable solution we had for hot water was to fill up pots and pans with a whole bunch of water, take it over to the kitchen, and boil it. We had stored some water in the bathtub just as a precaution. Now, none of us had taken a shower in 2 days. So, a bucket and a mug, that was how we bathed. And we didn't even face the worst of the water crisis. A step beyond our frozen faucets were the water pipes that burst, causing the excess water to flood and ruin many homes. And at the same time, there were those who lacked this basic necessity so much that they had to stand in lines, sometimes miles long, just for some access to it. Thankfully, our situation wasn't so dire. Now, this was some of the most snow Texas had ever seen. We would definitely regret it if we didn't take some time to enjoy it. Sun was out for only so long. And it was at night when the effects of the power outage were a lot more apparent.
It's just how wet that would be.
ओके हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ
छोड़ दो बस हो गया जल्दी
नहीं जलिए भाई
हाथ मत लगाओ तू
हाँ हाथ मत लगाओ
जल गई
मम्मा
बस हो गया, जलने दो अब उसको।
ऐसे मेरे पास ढेर सारी घर में लगी होती थी चिमनी। जैसी लाइट गई सब चिमनी लेके आओ। वो नॉर्मली कप सिरप की बॉटल्स होती थी, है ना? प्लास्टिक था क्या? ऊपर मेल्ट क्यों हो रहा है सौरभ ये?
बोल रहा है
होगा पेंट का, वो एक कोटिंग होगी।
नहीं अभी अंदर पूरी क्यों चली?
ओह यू नो व्हाट, इट्स नॉट वो।
हाँ जो ये लग रहा था कि क्या
ये जो कपड़ा है ना, ये कॉटन नहीं है, नायलॉन है इसमें, इसलिए हो रहा है।
Yeah, we just ended up sticking with the electric lanterns instead.
Recording.
Papa, I know you're recording.
चलना।
Oh my gosh, Papa.
The night certainly drew out our frustrations. I was frustrated that I couldn't sit back and watch a movie, or do anything I would probably rather do that night. I was frustrated that we couldn't take out our car from the garage and drive over to a friend who had power. But at the same time, the night brought experiences, memories. And I find it a bit ironic. Last March, when we were forced to quarantine, our family realized how much time we spend apart from each other each day. And as a result, our interactions soared. But as quarantine normalized, our interaction levels reverted yet again. And now, almost a year later, that realization hit us again. This time in the form of a power outage. And honestly, it's that family bond, knowing that we're there for each other, that got us through. It's this bond that got many families through. And it's this bond that's fueling people all over even today, as they persevere still through this outage.